Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if Windows Features is not displaying any items in the list field or it's just not working properly. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing let's just do would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should say command prompt, right click on it, and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes. And now I'm going to have a few commands in the description of my video, guys. First one is a reg delete value. I want you to copy it. Go ahead and right click on the top bar of the command prompt window, select edit and paste it in, or tap Control V on your keyboard, tap the Y key and then hit enter. So if this registry value was there, it should be deleted. It wasn't there in my case, which is fine. We're going to move on to the next step, which will be the next command. It's going to be a dism command. Copy it and then go up the top bar of the command prompt here, right click on it, select edit and paste it in, or tap Control V on your keyboard and run it. And once that is done, go ahead and run the next command in the description of my video. This is the system file checker utility scan. Just give us a couple minutes to run. And once that's done, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to help resolve the issue you're having with the Windows features. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.